Welcome. Today, we're diving into Pinterest to explore how to reset your account management settings on the PC version following the latest updates. Whether you're looking to tweak your profile, enhance your security, or manage your connected accounts, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure your Pinterest experience is exactly how you want it. First, head over to Pinterest.com and log into your account. Once you're in, look to the bottom left of your screen. You'll spot a settings option marked by a gear icon. Click on it. This is your gateway to customizing your Pinterest experience. Clicking the gear icon will bring you to the main settings menu. Here you'll find various options to adjust everything from your profile details to your notification preferences. Now, let's get into the account management section. This is where you can make significant changes to your account, such as deleting the account. Here, you may also convert to a personal account if you're running a business account. Once you've made the changes you want, you might want to reset those settings. Look for a Reset button. By clicking Reset, you can revert any adjustments you've made back to their original state. This is particularly useful if you've experimented with different settings and want to start fresh. After clicking Reset, a confirmation prompt will appear. This is a crucial step to ensure you're not accidentally undoing changes you intended to keep. Read the prompt carefully to understand what will be reverted. If you're ready to proceed, confirm the action. And that's it. Resetting your account management settings on Pinterest is a straightforward process that allows you to maintain control over your Pinterest experience. By following these steps, you can easily revert any unwanted changes and keep your account aligned with your preferences. Remember, regularly reviewing your Pinterest settings is a good practice to ensure your account is secure and tailored to your needs. Whether it's adjusting your profile information, managing your privacy settings, or connecting with other platforms, Pinterest offers a range of options to customize your experience. Keep exploring and make the most of what Pinterest has to offer.